All right, this one we're just gonna try and go higher. And scratch my ear because it itches. I've got to be doing something right because when I do the higher range, for one, there's like nothing, right? I gotta push a lot more air so like I feel it down more in my stomach and my diaphragm. But that's more just me like straining a muscle, not my throat. And it's so. Could you stop? I'm trying to talk. But like I can drag it out for so much more, and it's so much more comfortable to hold the notes. Like if I try and do I can do it, but I can't draw it out as long. But if I do the higher stuff, I can. I can hold it for so much longer. And I feel like I can do a lot more of the vibrato and like moving it, like not just holding one solid note and keeping it like, you know. So I'll try and exaggerate a little bit of vibrato. Ooh, that was a push. You get so much more volume. This is so fun.